Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to achieve beautiful wavy hair effortlessly. Whether you have naturally straight or curly hair, these simple steps will help you achieve the perfect beachy waves that are perfect for any occasion. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you have the following materials handy: heat protectant spray, curling iron or wand, hair clips, comb or brush, hairspray, texturizing spray, optional, and hair serum, optional. Begin by applying a heat protectant spray evenly through your dry hair. This step is crucial to prevent damage from the heat styling tool. Once applied, use a comb or brush to detangle your hair, ensuring it's smooth and free of knots. This will help your waves look more polished and uniform. Next, divide your hair into manageable sections using hair clips. Start with the bottom layer and work your way up. Smaller sections will give you tighter waves, while larger sections will result in looser waves. Choose the size that suits your preference. Take a small section of hair and wrap it around the curling iron or wand, leaving the ends out for a more natural look. Hold the hair in place for about 10-15 seconds, depending on your hair type and the heat setting of your tool. Release the curl gently and let it cool in your hand for a few seconds before letting it drop. Continue this process until all sections of your hair are curled. Once all the curls have cooled down, use your fingers to gently shake them out. This will create that tousled, wavy effect. If you prefer a more defined look, you can use a wide-toothed comb or brush to separate the curls into waves. Finish by spraying a light hold hairspray to set the style in place. For added texture and shine, you can use a texturizing spray or hair serum sparingly through your waves. This will give your hair a beachy, effortless look. You can also pin back a small section of hair on one side for a trendy, asymmetrical style. And there you have it. Achieving beautiful wavy hair is easier than you think. Follow these steps and enjoy your gorgeous, effortlessly chic look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with your friends. Stay tuned for more hair and beauty tips on our channel.